Confluence pages are great for sharing content, but if they're just plain text and tons of links, people often just scroll right by. That's where cards and carousels come in. Two macros that turn static pages into interactive hubs people actually enjoy using. Cards are like visual shortcuts. They're perfect when you want content to stand out, encourage exploration, and make your pages look a lot cleaner. In this example, we're looking at onboarding links added without much formatting. On their own, they're easy to miss and hard to differentiate between. By adding cards, we instantly give each content its own space, including a dedicated title, description, image, and a clear link that draws attention. You can even decide exactly which details to show or hide, like the author or last update date, giving you total control over the final look. Or choose the dynamic mode and let the cards auto-update based on filters, so fresh content appears with minimal effort. You can also change the size of the cards, display, and layout to make them fit naturally into your page. The result? Onboarding links, key resources, or quick actions instantly stand out and guide your team to exactly what they need. Now, if cards are gateways, carousels are spotlights. They bring focus on time-sensitive updates or featured highlights, think announcements, company news, or a recent event recap. In this example, cards were used to share the latest news. But nothing really stands out, everything blends together. Carousels let us showcase each update individually, giving every highlight the attention it deserves. You can swipe or click through the slides, making the experience dynamic and engaging. Choose the layout, colors, and style that best highlight your content. Want a clean look? Go with progress circles. Prefer previews? Thumbnails have you covered. Keep it simple with 3 to 5 slides, ensuring nothing gets lost and your audience actually sees what's important. Now, your announcements aren't just visible, they're impossible to miss. Used together, cards and carousels transform Confluence pages from static walls of links into interactive hubs that guide your team to what really matters, whether it's news, resources, or updates. And if you want more tips, check out our blogs linked below.